Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add color into your old images. For example, you want to reviving the past with a modern touch. You want to bring new life into old image by adding a vibrant colors. You can use colorize in Canva. All you have to do now, you can open your Canva. Don't forget to sign in and click apps and click AI powered. Now you can find this one, colorize. So here we go. You can click use in new design and upload or choose file your black and white or grayscale image, or select one in your design to colorize. You can click this, and here I got this image to colorize. Just please wait. Complex images may take a little longer. So if you encounter this error, could not recolorize your image, so you can try again and make sure your connection is good, your internet connection is good. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.